love my makeup recommendations, and that is why I always keep them going. I recently was scrolling through Myglamm and I found out this mini lip kit, and I was like, oh my god, what better than having 3 lipsticks in the price of 1, which is very interesting. So this is going to be an unsponsored review, swatches, etc. of that lip kit. I have 3 lip kits of like the same range so that you guys get a variety of what all is available. And without any further delay, let's begin. So once you order a lip kit, this is the kind of packaging that you will get. It's a very pretty pink box shaped packaging, and once you like roll it from one side, this is how the lip kit would look like. It has 3-in-1 shades, and this retails for $3.49 for 3 lip shades, which is very affordable honestly. And now let's try these shades one by one. So the first kit in this collection, it's called Power Trip. All of the shades in this particular kit are so holiday appropriate. If you want some shades for New Year or Christmas, I feel like this kit is the one for you. Next, we are moving on to the No Drama lip kit. Now let's move to the third and final lip kit, which is Berry Amor. About the video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching. Honestly, if I had to give you guys like my honest opinion, I really like the lip kits. I feel like for the price that you're paying, it's actually really good, and it has such a beautiful and a creamy formula that I would highly recommend. So it's a thumbs up from my end. Do let me know in case you have tried this lip kit, or if you want me to try any other makeup brand or any makeup product, drop it in the comments and I would definitely make a video about it. I'll catch you guys next time. Like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.